to the 2015 audited financial statement of Beyond Chum, the cash increased from 125,000 from 2014 to 3,125,300 pesos in 2015. From 125,000 in 2014 to 3 million in 2015. The cash or the current assets skyrocketed in 2018 to 67,775,800 pesos. With all due respect, Attorney Roque, saan po nanggaling itong napakalaking perang ito?